Welcome back. Today we have prime time pain and suffering, doing a transmission on a 2020 Jeep Wrangler, and this is going to be the absolute fucking bane of my existence today. Starting off here, I got the inner fender out. Already pissed off because it has a bunch of those stupid fucking rivet clips. And gotta take the starter out to get the torque converter bolts, obviously, but to get the starter out, you have to take the motor mount out, which I thought was very considerate of Chrysler to do that for me. Let's get fucking active, I guess. Nice. Didn't need that light anyway. The one thing I got going for right now is this car is pretty clean. It's not super rusty. Alright, we're actually getting pretty close here. It's got the rest of the bracket for the cooler. The torque converter bolts. And some bell housing bolts. I think now's a good time to remind you all about the tool giveaway I got going on right now. This 3-piece quarter-inch ratchet set from Snap-on. It's a $500 value. The winner for that will be picked December 25th. All you have to do to be entered to win is subscribe to me, be actively subscribed to me on TikTok. It's $5 a month. You get the playlist and some other perks as well. Only people that live in the US are eligible to win. And then of course, we have to talk about my wonderful phone case made by Rockform. They're the toughest phone case you will find, but without compromising the nice feel and the sleekness of a less protective phone case. I've been running those things for the last 6 years myself, and there has been countless times when my phone should have absolutely been fucking destroyed. But it's perfectly fine thanks to Rockform. They have a ton of other accessories for phones, including mounts, wireless charging, that kind of stuff. There's a discount code on my bio for 20% off your entire order on rockform.com. So head over to the site, check it out. I promise you'll absolutely love whatever you get. Oh, that's completely missing my drain pan. My super sketchy piece of wood seems to be holding up well so far. Little fucker. Wow, that went easy. All right, I got the screw jack back under the engine again because I do not trust my piece of wood that's acting as a motor mount right now. There we go, that bitch is out. Anyways, I'm gonna go cry in a corner somewhere.